makeup look has been doing a lot of rounds these days. So I thought I'm going to break this look for you and show you how you can achieve it in the simplest way possible. Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a freelance makeup artist and I'm going to be showing you this most simplest Indian makeup look using all Colorbar products. So let's get started. So the special thing about today's look is that we will be using all products from this company called Colorbar. Colorbar is an Indian brand who launched themselves in 2005, and since then the company has been doing really well. They're very innovative when it comes to introducing colors in their products. So this is why I thought it was a perfect time today to use Colorbar and show you the glittery eyes and the glitter lips with their latest products. I'm going to begin my makeup using this Perfect Match Primer from Colorbar. It's very translucent in texture, so I'm going to be applying this on my entire face. So this has a little translucent base which helps in the appearance of minimizing pores on your face. The next step is that I'm going to be using this foundation from Colorbar, which is a timeless filling and lifting foundation with hyaluronic acid. As you can see, I've already taken some on my plate and I'm using a Real Technique buffing brush. This foundation has a good amount of water content in it because of the hyaluronic acid, which is something that keeps your skin very hydrated for a long time. Now using a black kajal for Colorbar MesmerEyes Kajal, and I'm going to be applying this on my upper lash line. Next, I'm using this in the brown contour powder that I have from Colorbar, and I'm going to smudge this kajal for a more smoky look. Now use this kajal on my lower lash line as well. Again, using the contour powder, I'm going to now smudge the lower lash line for a more smoked out effect. Next, I'm using this Perfect Selfie highlighter from Colorbar on the inner corner of my eyes. This product actually gives a little pop to the eyes, and plus it's very easy to blend. Next, I'm using this soft gold color from the highlighter palette on the eyelid, starting from the inner corner towards the middle of the eyelid. And now to add the perfect pop to my eye, I'm going to be using this Colorbar Moon Lava Eyeshadow in number 1 Starry Moon Lava Eyeshadow on the center of my eyelid. I always like to remove the excess and then take it over the eyeshadow. You can use this brush directly to deposit this color on your eyelid. I think it's a beautiful color and it blends very nicely on the eyes. I'm just going to go back with the Colorbar Kajal again and just make my upper eyeliner look a little darker. I'm just going to smudge it out with the eyeshadow brush again for a more softer look. Next, I'm using this eyelash curler from Gubb. Next, I'm going in with the Colorbar 30-Day Growth Booster Daily Treatment Mascara, and I'm going to apply this in a zigzag motion. I think this is giving the perfect curl to my eyelashes with a lot of volume. Now using the Colorbar concealer under my eye just to give it a little brightness. The concealer that I use today is the Flawless Full Cover Concealer from Colorbar, and I'm going to be using this beauty blender from Gubb to blend it out. Next, I'm using this contour powder from the 2-in-1 Colorbar palette. This is in the shade 001 Neutral, and I'm going to be using this to contour my face and taking it towards my temple, on my jawline to give it a more sharper look. And because I have a broad forehead, so I'm going to be contouring the corners of the forehead. I'm now going to be contouring my nose. You have to make sure that you blend out the product very nicely, otherwise it's going to just look like stark lines. Now using this Flushed Satin 003 blush from Colorbar to apply it on the apples of my cheek. Next, I'm using the same highlighter, the Perfect Selfie highlighter, and I'm just going to be taking some on my hand and applying it on the highlighter area. And I will be applying this on the areas that I want to highlight. And I'm going to be using this very soft gold color from the 2-in-1 Planet, and I'm going to be just going gently all over my face. This is going to help me lock my foundation. Next, I'm using this Wow Brow Pencil Crayon from Colorbar, and I'm just going to be touching my eyebrows. So a tip would be to always use a brown color and not a black color when you use to fill your eyebrows. Also, this is in the shape of a pencil, so it's very easy to kind of apply it over your eyebrows. And now the last step in this makeup tutorial is going to be using this beautiful lipstick, which is an edition of the Drama Blast from Colorbar. It's a glittery lipstick. Keeps your lips very hydrated, and the color that we are using today is it's number 3 My Pixie. So you can already see the glitter on this lipstick. So I have completed my makeup look. I'm just quickly going to put my jewelry and be right back. Hope you enjoyed the look today. Do try this out. It might seem difficult, but it's very easy to achieve. For more such content, log on to Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.